In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable automation on iPhone. This can be an essential task if you find that certain automations are no longer serving your needs or if you simply want a break from them. Disabling an automation allows you to pause it without completely removing it from your Shortcuts app. This way, you can easily reactivate it later. Let's get started with the first step. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. You can find it on your home screen or by swiping down and searching for Shortcuts. When you tap the app, you will see a clean, user-friendly interface. At the bottom of the screen, there are several tabs, and you will want to ensure you are in the right section. This is important because the Shortcuts app is where all your automations are managed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if this is your first time using the app. Next, tap the Automation tab located at the bottom of the screen. This tab is specifically designed to manage all your personal automations. When you tap it, you will see a list of all the automations you have set up. Each entry represents a different automation that your iPhone can run based on specific triggers. Knowing where to find this tab is crucial because it is the gateway to managing your automations effectively. Once you're in, you will see a clear overview of what you can control. Now, tap the automation you want to disable. This action brings you to the detailed view of that specific automation. Here you will see various settings that you can adjust. Take a moment to review the details and ensure that it is the correct automation you want to disable. It's easy to misclick, so double-checking is a good habit. This step is important because it ensures you are making changes only to the automation that is no longer needed. From there, turn off Enable this automation. You will see a toggle switch that you can slide to the left to disable it. When the toggle is off, the automation will not run until you choose to enable it again. This action does not delete the automation, it merely pauses it. This is a great way to keep your options open without the clutter of unnecessary automations running in the background. You will see a confirmation appear indicating that the automation is now disabled. Tap Done to finalize your changes. This step saves your settings and takes you back to the list of automations. It's a simple action, but it confirms that your adjustments have been successfully made. You're doing great so far, and by completing this step, you ensure your changes are saved. The automation will no longer run until you re-enable it, allowing you to manage your settings more effectively. If you decide that you no longer need the automation at all, you can choose to delete it permanently. Open the Shortcuts app again and tap the Automation tab. This action leads you back to your list of automations. Once there, swipe left on the automation you want to remove. This gesture is intuitive and quick, making it easy to navigate through your options. Now tap Delete. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete this automation. This is an important step because deleting an automation is irreversible. Once deleted, you will need to recreate it if you want to use it again in the future. By confirming this action, you are taking control of your Shortcuts app and ensuring that it only contains the automations you truly want. Remember, disabling an automation does not delete it, allowing for flexibility in your settings. You can enable it again at any time by turning Enable this automation back on. Deleting, however, is permanent. Additionally, keep in mind that disabling an automation is different from turning off Ask Before Running. The latter controls whether the automation runs automatically or asks for confirmation, while Enable this automation determines whether it runs at all. With these insights, you can now confidently manage your automations on your iPhone.